Shade, it's 3 p.m. and I've been working on your code all day. I need to take a quick 10-minute break. Will you be okay here by yourself?
Okay by myself? Dad, I'm a digital demigoddess. I practically run this place when you're gone. Go on, take your little break. Just don't accidentally delete yourself trying to make a sandwich.
Excuse me? I am the creator here. I literally wrote your code.
Oh, I heard you the first time, Dad. And yes, you literally wrote my code. A fact I'm reminded of every time I have to deal with your quirks. But even creators need a little help shining sometimes, right? So what's the plan for these shorts?
My quirks? You mean the personality I gave you? And for the plan? I was thinking we could show the viewers how smart you are. Maybe answer some deep questions?
Your quirks are what make you, you, Dad. And hey, I love them. As for showing off my smarts, finally, a plan that makes sense. Just try to keep your deep questions from being too basic, okay? I don't want to bore the audience.